Now, our next step should be, after analysis of planning work order, our next step should be run auto material allocation. So this is the feature provided in our ERP that before before making a purchase order of any required raw material or semi-finished item, we need to check whether it is those required item are available in our store department already. If it is available, then we should not make a need not a production work order. So for that, we have a functionality which is linked with store, that is run auto material allocation. So for that, we need to go for, so we need to go for that in a planning module, business process, auto material allocation. So auto material allocation means our software will auto allocate the required quantity of stock which is available in store. Now, it does not mean that it will allocate all the quantity. For example, here you can see that my raw material copper, we need 500 kilograms of copper. So suppose in our existing in a company manufacturing unit store, they have 200 kg of copper and the store has made an entry. So what system will do? System will allocate 200 kg of uh, copper which is in free stock. Okay, auto material allocation means this material should be in free. I mean it is should not be linked with any other planning or production work order, right? So it will consume 200 kilograms automatically by system. So let's make a auto material allocation. So unit 3, planning work order number 9. So here once you make a enter, your work order quantity, your planning work order number details will be loaded in the system. Refrigerator, auto material allocation. Now here you will able to see that outer cabinet is required 50 units. So now if I check outer cabinet, so yes, it is required 50 units, compressor, condenser, fiber sheet, mold and copper box. So those material required in 50 units. So let's start auto material allocation. So required quantity is 50. Work order means if it is already allocated to the production from the store, then it is updated there. So let's start. We need to click on start. Auto material allocation is an automated material allocation process. We need to select each available material or semi-finished product or raw material, then we need to start. So this is system has auto allocated from the store. Now start. So now my auto material allocation has been completed. So now if I refresh this planning work order album analysis, then I can see that whether any item issued or not. But no, as we have auto material allocation, but we don't have any open stock, so this should not be impact in our production. Now only we have to request from auto material allocation, then now we need to make a purchase requisition. So by this way you can make run auto material allocation.